Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type cube root in Word, so you can very easily type this in Word. So firstly you need to click on insert. Now you need to click on equation. And here you see this option Renticles, so just click on it, and now you see this here last option, so just click on it and give the number. Now space, press forward arrow key in your keyboard, and now equal to space, and now type here number. So this way you can very easily type cube root in Word, very easy and a simple method. Now click on anyway. So this way you can type. So thanks for watching this video.